Did you drop one? No, it's okay. Can you put a few more on? Daddy wants some too. See, Audie's helping in the kitchen.
Cold.
It is cold because they're frozen. We're going to heat them up. Put it on the pan and we'll heat it up, okay? There you go. How many's that?
There's two.
How many's there?
There's two.
Are you sure? You want to count them?
Okay, 1, 2.
Wow. Okay. You want down?
Okay.
Okay.